Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. And after a very long gap, I'm making a dish. Let's just get on to it. It's Kheru, inspired by my recent visit to Himachal Pradesh. It's very cold, but still people how they incorporate curd in their diet. That's what I want to show you. So very simple ingredients. You can check it out in the description box. Just check on the quantity that you want to make. I've taken around 3 cups of beaten curd. If you want to make more or less, you can accordingly adjust. I've already washed the cauliflower and all the water's gone out. Now I'm adding little salt and turmeric to this. And I'm going to mix it well. You don't have to keep the mixture for a very long time because it will start secreting a lot of water. So immediately you can heat up oil in a pan and fry it. Now we have 2 options to do this. So if you are not very keen on frying it, what you can do it, you can take it in a pan with very little oil, around 2 teaspoons of oil, and you can let it shallow fry. It will take longer time. I'm just going to show it to you that method also, but that's going to take longer time. Just for the video purpose, I'm going to keep it short, but that is another way that you can try doing that. So once the cauliflower is nicely done, I'm going to take it out and let it be there for some time. I have not added any besan to this. It's plain simple cauliflower. On another kadai, I'm going to add around 1 teaspoon of jeera, cumin seeds. At this stage, I should have added the red chili and sabut dhania, which is whole coriander seeds. But yeah, I do this a lot. I go up and down in my steps. As I've mentioned already, I'm not a professional cook. So at this stage, I'm adding the red chilies. But if you are watching this, you can add red chilies before adding the onions. But believe me, the taste, it was just as I tasted there in Shimla. It was the same taste. I did not find it, very much different. So why yogurt is because a lot of my clients, they come back to me saying that it's very cold. How am I supposed to eat so much of yogurt or curd? How am I supposed to incorporate? I can't take it. I've got sore throat. But believe me, if you want to inculcate in your diet on daily basis, this is one of the methods to do this. Okay, so you can just heat the curd up even without any of these ingredients like onions or tomatoes. You can just give a nice tempering to it and have it, because it's very good for your gut health if you consume it daily. It has a lot of calcium, vitamin B2, vitamin B12, potassium, magnesium. All of that keeps your internally your gut very strong. Digestion, it's very plays a very important role in digestion. So if this is how you got to incorporate it, if you're not able to have it normal, like normal curd, then you can, or you should be adding it in some or the other way, because believe me, Shimla was so cold and people there still inculcate this in their daily habit. So that is a lot to learn from. I found this dish very similar to kadhi. The only difference is we are not adding any ginger and no besan to this. So but it's again, the taste is very similar. So if you like kadhi, I'm very sure you like this also. If you're lactose intolerant, you can't have milk, you can have curd in this form if it is cold, because it is rich in calcium, as I mentioned earlier. Don't let it boil too much, because then the curd will split. Add coriander just to garnish it, and that's it. It's ready to go. So I hope you enjoyed watching me make kheru. I really loved eating, and everybody in my family loved eating it. So it's going to be a very regular affair at home. Thank you so much for watching. I teamed it up with millets. Take care and stay safe. Bye.